to the most honorable school manager Vikas sir, vice principal sir, respected and dedicated teachers, and you all my dear friends. Myself Rounak from the class 7th-F, and today I am present before you all to deliver my thoughts about the proverb, winners don't do different things, they do things differently. But before starting my speech, I would like to thank my class teacher, Mr. Bhupendra sir, who gave me this wonderful opportunity to express my thoughts before you all. So let's start. Friends, do you ever wonder that the billion-dollar company owners like Sir Ratan Tata, Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg don't have something special or different from us? They all have the same physical and mental features that we have. But why we consider them as winners and ourselves as losers? They also do the same things that we do, but not in the same manner. And here comes the meaning of this proverb. This proverb suggests that success is not about doing something special, but doing it in a unique way. When we embrace change, we open ourselves to new opportunities. By doing different things, we can easily achieve our goals more effectively and efficiently and become successful in our life. That's all. Thank you for investing your precious time on me and have a great day.